You got me! You got me!
Me and Henry will stick with me. But let's play a game.
What game?
Spider Squirrel Bounce game.
Okay, show me how to play.
I think you have to get a blanket first.
Okay, show me how to play.
I'm trying to get this like this. Guess what?
What?
I have 2 blankets.
Oh, nice.
You said 1 blanket at a time.
That's right.
But I had 2. I'm going to do this one. And then nobody. I'm making blankets. Now we can play. No.
Hey, Emma. It's okay.
I want to go the blanket.
It's okay. Go ahead and do your game. Go ahead and do your game.
It's called this. Can you do that?
I don't think so. Show me again.
You do it like this. And
That-
you spin around 1 time.
That looks like fun.
Can you do that?
Show me again. I'm not sure.
Now can you do it?
Yeah, let me try.
You just spin around 1 time and do this. You just get with your feet.
Okay.
Can you try that?